We're outside firing up the grill, but it's not for burgers and steaks.
Yeah, instead we're grilling up a bright Mexican salad with nutritional health coach Samantha Eaton. Samantha, good morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Oh, I like this. We've got you out on the grill today.
I know, I'm excited.
All right. Why do you like this salad so much?
This is a fun salad because I feel like in the summer we're all about the salads, right? But it's like you get sick of eating the same kind of salad over and over. So this is just a fun way to add a little twist to it.
Very good. And add some flavor to
Add
it,
some
okay?
flavor. So what we're gonna start with is the marinade / dressing. So I like to use it as a combination so you don't have to make two separate things.
Okay.
Save some time. So first, just add your favorite oil. I have olive oil here. You can do avocado oil. Next, you're gonna do the juice from 2 limes. Squeeze that in there. Next, you want some flavor. So this has some chili powder in it, cumin, salt, pepper, a little cayenne pepper for a kick, and of course some garlic.
Okay.
And then finally, for sweetness, I'm gonna put a little honey in there. And honey is great because you get a little sweetness, but it also caramelizes nicely. So it adds some pretty color and some nice char that you get on your stuff as well. So you're gonna whisk this all together. And then since we're using this for both, it's important to separate some for the dressing. So I love these glass measuring cups. Just pour about a little less than a half a cup. I think I mixed a little bit less than that. And then add your shrimp to it. For shrimp, Argentine shrimp are my absolute favorite. They are like, you can see how big they are.
Look how robust
They are
they
so
look.
good.
Yeah.
They taste like little baby lobster tails.
Okay.
They're so delicious. So you're gonna set this aside and let it marinate for about 15 minutes. Not long at all.
Okay.
While that's marinating, we're gonna multitask. So grab your skewers. These are super fun because you have 2 prongs. So as you flip things, everything stays in a nice even layer. You don't have some flipping and some not. So grab those, and then for your vegetables, I like to just kind of cut them in about 2-inch by 2-inch pieces, especially if you have a longer, double wide like this. That way, it fits perfectly on there. So you're just gonna take each one and skewer it. Oh, I missed. There you go. Skewer them on there. I like the same vegetable per skewer, so you know it's all gonna cook evenly.
Yes.
You have some peppers, some onions, some cook faster than others, and it doesn't work out.
Oh, nice. Look at
So
that.
once you have that all set, you wanna get the star. So for this, we're gonna grill some romaine.
Oh, I love grilled romaine.
Right?
Yeah, it's so good.
It's so simple. All
Yeah.
you do is cut it right down the center. And then on here, you have your 2 halves. Just take a little brush and brush some olive oil right on there. So that way it doesn't stick to the grill. And then this just cooks up in about 2 minutes, cut side down. And then
I don't know why that's so delicious, but it is.
It really tastes
it's like
good.
taking your salad up a notch. It's
Yes,
really good. Yeah.
exactly. So once that is set, I have some already ready for you that we're gonna plate out.
So when you say cut side down, you be keep them flat with the oil side
just
down?
like this here. So that oil side right here, that was just down, and then you'll see that gets a nice little
Oh my goodness,
color
look
to
how
it.
beautiful that looks.
So it's just it's a little different. You get some nice char, which adds some really good flavor to it, which just changes the way everything kind of tastes all together.
Samantha's all
have
about
your
healthy,
romaine.
clean eating, but making it taste delicious.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then next you want to grab your other skewer. So I have some of that yummy shrimp. I did some onion and pepper earlier, and then of course some tomatoes. So for plating this, you can just squeeze the tomatoes right on here any way you want.
Okay, I know I was paying attention, but it did escape me. So you always
Yeah.
have the same vegetables on the same side.
Yeah, you see
so
how
they-
I have
so that way they
all
cook.
peppers and all onions?
Yes.
That way they're all gonna cook at the same time. Sometimes onions take a little bit longer to cook than peppers do. So if you have that scenario, some are gonna be done and others aren't. And then it's like, what do you do, right?
Gotcha. Okay. I was paying
screwed.
attention though.
No, you're fine. So a fun way to plate this, you can just throw everything right on top of the romaine there. And same with these. You can cut them if you want, but they just look so pretty when they're like nice and all together and plump. So we get those on there. And then one fun
That a
thing,
nice salad, yes.
right? The corn. So with the corn on the cob, if you cook it in the husk, that's great, but it's gonna take longer, and I'm very impatient. I wanna eat as soon as possible. So I just throw it on like this. It takes about 6 minutes. And then cutting it off the cob, just hold it at about a 45-degree angle and cut it right off there. So then once that's all cut, you can sprinkle that on top too. And then you can get some bonus fun things, like I have some grilled limes.
Yeah, we like bonus fun things.
Those are fun. You can get some black beans on top of there.
Yes, bonus for sure.
These are delicious.
And this is all healthy?
Another good bonus.
Oh, yeah.
Cheese.
Get some cheese,
Yes.
Mexican cheese if you want to as well. My dad says everything's better with cheese.
Yeah, I'm with your
He's a
dad.
smart man.
Yep.
And then finally, everything looks beautiful with fresh cilantro on top, right?
That is a lovely salad.
Yes.
That's beautiful.
It's so simple.
Yeah.
It takes about 30 minutes, and it's all done.
Oh,
And then, of course, you have your dressing that we already made ahead of time.
Oh, that's right.
So you can drizzle that right on top if you want to. Much as little
I
as you
got
want.
it. Can I taste
Stuff,
this?
Dive into that. Make
Samantha.
sure you grab some shrimp.
Oh, yes. Go to healthyeaton.com. Healthyeaton, EATON.com. Check out Samantha and all the services she offers. You're so good. Thank you. I can't wait to try this.
Plantain
Delish.
chips with it are a fun side.
Oh.
Because you get your carb there, so they're just a nice, fun, crunchy element to add. You can sprinkle them up on top of it.
It's great.
What do you think?
Carbon crunch.
This is great.
Good, right?
My
Good
goodness.
stuff.
So simple.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Thank you. We
Thanks for having
appreciate
me.
that. All right, coming up next this morning, go from basic to chic with just a few accessories.
Next stylist Linda Martinez shows us how to elevate your style.
If you don't have access to the internet but would like a recipe seen on today's cooking segment, send a self-addressed stamped envelope to Charlotte today. 1001 Woodbridge Center Drive, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28217.